What if just a few minutes a day could physically change your brain? Not in years, not in months, in just a few weeks. Scientists have discovered that certain activities can strengthen neural connections, improve memory, sharpen focus, and help your brain process information faster. And the surprising part is that most people never do them, not because they're difficult, but because nobody told them they actually work. Today, we're revealing 7 brain exercises backed by science that could help unlock your brain's full potential. And number 7 is the one almost everyone ignores. For decades, scientists believed the adult brain was mostly fixed, that after a certain age, you got what you got. But modern neuroscience revealed something that changed everything. Your brain is constantly adapting through a process called neuroplasticity. Every new experience, thought, and habit can strengthen or weaken the connections between neurons. In other words, your brain works like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger and more efficient it becomes. And these 7 exercises are exactly how you do that. One of the most effective ways to improve brain function is by learning something completely new. A foreign language, a musical instrument, coding, photography, anything that forces your brain to create new neural pathways. Research suggests that learning unfamiliar skills improves memory, increases mental flexibility, and strengthens problem-solving abilities. And here's something most people get wrong. If it feels difficult at first, that's actually a good sign. It means your brain is working hard and adapting. This one surprises people. One of the best exercises for your brain doesn't involve thinking at all. It involves moving. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. Exercise also stimulates the production of a protein called BDNF, sometimes referred to as brain fertilizer, because it helps neurons grow and form stronger connections. Studies show that even a 20-minute walk can improve attention, learning, and memory. One of the simplest things you can do for your brain is stay physically active. Memory works exactly like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Simple activities like memorizing phone numbers, shopping lists, or important facts can strengthen your working memory over time. You can also use techniques like visualization and association to push your brain even further. Scientists have found that people who regularly practice memory exercises perform better in tasks requiring concentration, learning, and decision-making. It doesn't take long. It just takes consistency. Reading is one of the most powerful workouts you can give your brain. When you read, your brain processes language, builds mental images, stores information, and analyzes ideas all at the same time. Multiple regions of the brain activate simultaneously during this process. Research shows that people who read regularly tend to maintain stronger cognitive abilities as they age. Even 15 minutes a day with a book can have measurable long-term benefits for brain health. Sudoku, crossword puzzles, chess, logic, games. These activities force your brain to identify patterns, solve problems, and think strategically. They activate several parts of the brain at once and improve what scientists call cognitive flexibility, the brain's ability to adapt quickly when faced with new situations. The specific game doesn't matter as much as the habit. What counts is consistently giving your brain a challenge it hasn't seen before. Most people think meditation is only useful for relaxation, but scientists have found it can actually change the physical structure of the brain. Brain imaging studies show that regular meditation is associated with increased gray matter in areas linked to learning, attention, memory, and emotional regulation. Just 10 minutes of focused breathing each day can improve concentration, reduce stress, and help your brain function more efficiently. 10 minutes. That's it. This is the most overlooked brain exercise of all, and the one most people dismiss without realizing what they're giving up. Every real conversation requires your brain to process language, emotions, memories, facial expressions, and social cues simultaneously. It's one of the most complex mental workouts that exists, and it happens naturally when you're genuinely connected with other people. Research suggests that people with strong social connections experience better cognitive health throughout their lives and may significantly reduce their risk of cognitive decline as they age. Spending quality time with the people who matter to you isn't just enjoyable, it's one of the best things you can do for your brain.